Very good morning to all. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about the collision in data structure. Before we proceed to collision, first we will recap the concept which we have learned in the previous class. Okay. In previous class, we have discussed about the hashing and the hashing functions. Okay. The hashing is a mechanism which is used to store the large volume of data into a small table. Okay. For performing this such kind of operations, we have to use the mathematical calculations. Okay, that is known as the hash function. Hash function which is used to find out the place to store the values in the hash table. Okay, for that we will use the three components. That thing and all we have discussed. Next one is the collision. What is that collision? While we are storing or mapping the values to the table, it may occur. Okay, for this, first we will come up with the real time scenario. You can consider the real time scenario. There is a place in that particular place we are having only one chair. The one particular person is occupied the chair. Some other person is coming to there that same place. They also want to occupy the same particular chair. Okay, we are having only one chair, so we have to accommodate that particular two students in that place itself. Okay, for that we need to provide the alternative solutions. Okay, how we are going to do that? Okay, that is the concept of collision. Okay, collision, it is the hashing concept, situation that two inputs produce the same index value. Okay, that is the known as the collision. This same two inputs produce the same as output. No, this phenomena is known as the hash collision. For that the example is given. You can consider the first key and second key. We are using the hash function to find out the place in the hash table. It is requesting the same table, so it is called as the collision. You can consider this example 16, 21, 26, 20. Okay, these are all the some of the key elements which we are going to store these elements into the hash table. Okay, you can consider the table size as 4, that is 0 to 3, totally 4. Okay, now we have to start insert the key. You can consider the first element 16. 16 divided by 4. Okay, the remainder will be 0. Since 4 4s are 16, so remainder will be 0. The first value it will get stored in 16. The next value 21 modulo 4. So in this case we will get a remainder 1, right? 5 in 5 4s are 20, so remainder is 1. So this 21 it will get stored in 1, index position 1. The next one is 26. 26 divided by 4, we will get a 6 4s are 24, so balance is 2. So this value it will get stored in 2. The next, if you come to the next element 20, 20 modulo 4, the remainder is 0, but we are already the 16 is get stored in the index position 0. 20 also want to store it in the same position. So this is called the collision. Okay, how to overcome this? For that we will have a collision resolution techniques. This techniques it will be used to overcome this kind of problems. The collision resolution technique, it is a mechanism which is used to overcome the collisions in the hashing. There are two types of techniques which is used to avoid the collision. First one is the separate chaining. Next one is the open addressing. The separate chaining is also called as open hashing, and the open addressing is also called as closed hashing. This open addressing, it is having a three types: linear probing, quadratic probing, and double hashing. Okay, this methods which is used to rectify the collisions in the hashing concept. Okay, and this is the reference book. Thank you.